YouTube, how the heck is going? So today we got a lot of things on our plate to get done because this should be the final straw before tuning. So I mentioned probably in one of the videos that I'm having a clutch issue. It is going all the way down or sticking down, or it's going all the way to the top and sticking to the top. Found out my slave cylinder is trash. Then I also got tie rod ends, outer tie rods. I got the new clutch, and in that box up there I have the new control arms, upper control arms up here and over here. Then I gotta fix the suspension in the back, and then we have to fix the intercooler piping. I already have it marked off on where it needs to be cut. So I'm gonna start off what I assume as the hardest part would be all my suspension components. So let's get it started.
Struggle, you stand by me when I was alone.
So I'm not replacing the inner one because it seems alright, but I am going to replace the outer one because that ball joint was toast. So this is the other part I'm replacing. It has been such a shit show because that bolt sucks, or the ball joint sucks. So yeah, I couldn't get it to sink in, and look how loose it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. This thing is fucking toast. All right, let's go to the top and get it out. So here's the old one. Shot. Here is the new one. Yes, I did go with stock. The reason is I'm trying to show you guys how to do this all on a budget, and you know, stock was the cheapest option.
Stand by me when I was alone, when I felt hurt. You came into my life and I will show you what you love.
So I'm going to repeat this on the other side, catch you guys up then, and we'll start the backs. So everything's back down, I got it back on. I got the slave cylinder in. I have to replace my master cylinder, so it broke, and this is the best idea that I had so far. It's just hold it in place to see if I can pump the clutch, and it does. Next is to raise the rear end, get it up, and try to get this all aligned. So obviously you can tell I ran out of light. Did move the car, but sticking with the budget build, I bought some Amazon specials. Okay guys, I'm all about being budget friendly, but stuff like this, where you max out your shocks, there's nothing left in this at all. It's done. It's toasted. You know, at least get a cup where you could at least get this much out of it. I know you guys want to be slammed and all that, but so I think today was pretty much successful. I got the ride height almost back to stock height where I want it. Then I got the slave cylinder in. Now I know I have to order the master cylinder, but the car does roll. Let's see, we did the coilovers. I gotta do the clean out again. Oh yep, control arms. That's done. AC deleted. Control arms, that. I gotta finish the intercooler piping. I'm probably gonna finish that tonight. Made a mess of the interior again, so that has to be redone. Yeah, I don't know what else left to do. Let's try to get this intercooler done. want to deburr it, then flare it out. But as you guys heard, this thing stopped working on me. It's like only at the slowest. I'm gonna let this cool down, or that cool down. I'm gonna wash this off real quick. So, since I'm working on trying to fit the intercooler better, I'm gonna try to rotate the turbo a little this way to give it like a straight up and down, because right now it's kind of tilted. So I'm hoping this is it. It might not be, but I'm gonna try and see what happens. So this is about perfect. Did a little bit of cutting, moved the turbo a little bit, and now everything seems to almost fit correctly. Holy crap, guys, I might be done with this. So guys, I'm gonna call it there. We got a lot done. You know, I kind of went quiet at times. Like I said, you know, in the last video, that's a lot of stuff that just gets cut out until I start talking. And if I'm not talking, then, you know, it's like 3 hours. But since it is nighttime, it's, I think, 12 a.m. I'm gonna call it there. You know, it's just getting tired. So, this is everything that still needs to be finished on the list. We did the coilovers, control arms, AC delete. I still got to do the clean out. So right now we still in the cooler piping. I'm on. I still got to finish that. I got to order the S300. Still got to find somebody to do a tune. The injectors are still somewhere. Paint. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that at all. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. You know, it is a budget build. The front trans mount, brake kit, power steering delete. I know it looks like a D, but it is a P. Axles are all needing to be ordered. So when that gets ordered, I will, you know, continue on. But March 1st is the goal. And I think we're almost there for the first race day. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.